Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock elements in Canva. So as you can see, I'm in Canva here guys, and I have a thumbnail which I was working on. And let's say I would like to lock the element of this chat GPT, let's say image or this our logo here, right? All you have to do, what you know, in order to lock this, simple click on the image and you will see some icons appear here. One of them is simply lock position only, and you can lock it, or you can simply right click on it, then go down to lock, and you have lock, and you also have lock position only. So let me show what happened. When I go ahead and I click on lock, you see that it is locked. I cannot do anything with it, right? In order to do anything with this, I have to unlock it by simply clicking on it and unlock. I can lock the position only, simply means that it will not move. If I go ahead and choose that option, lock position only, you will realize that you can see around it, you're not able to do anything with it, and it's locked. So choose whichever option is best for you, but if you're looking for a way how to lock elements on your designs, this is how to do it, and it's very easy and very simple, especially when you're working with multiple different elements on your design and you have one particular design or image or logo that you don't want to move. It's best to lock it. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.